Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Unibet application on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to install the Unibet application on your PC, you will need to install the web browser version. So open up your web browser, whichever one you prefer, and once you open it up, simply type in unibet.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Unibet website. Now, once you're in the home page, you can proceed with logging into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and then using your credentials. But you can also install the application without logging in. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then hover over to apps. If you're using any other browser like Chrome, then you will need to hover down to save and share, and then you will find the install shortcut option. After clicking on the install shortcut option, you will be allowed to rename the application shortcut and also edit the application icon. Enter your desired app name and edit the app icon if you wish as well, and then click on the install button. Once you click on install, this will automatically install the Unibet application on your desktop and it will open up in a new browser window. Once the application is opened up, click on the three dots at the top right corner before the minimize button, and now you can click on pin to taskbar, then click on the yes button, and the application will now appear on your taskbar. And from this point on, you can directly click on this button and you will be able to access the Unibet application on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Unibet application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.